all sound is caused by vibrations. To make sound, you're going to have some kind of matter to vibrate, whether it's a solid, liquid, or gas. Meaning there will be no sound produced in empty space where there is no matter. If mass measures matter, does sound have mass? Alright, to answer this question, you're going to have to get some sound. And I'm going to capture it in this pipe. Now it's a fence post that I got at Lowe's or Home Depot, and different lengths of posts are going to give you different sound wavelengths and pitch. Let's see what it sounds like first, once it gets hot. Alright, now that you know what it sounds like, let's keep it warm at the bottom so that the sound is constantly coming. Then, you're going to want to grab a beaker or another student's hand as a volunteer, and we're going to pour out some sound. So there's the sound. Let me put it in the beaker. And then I'm going to pour the sound back into the pipe. Pour it into the beaker. Then pour it back into the pipe. Don't drop it. Don't drop the sound. Make sure it all goes back in there. After watching that, does sound have mass? Alright, now it's time to prove it. In order to prove it, you're going to have to figure out what's vibrating, because that's what's going to cause your sound. In this case, it's not my hand, and it's not the pipe, it's the air. To get the air to vibrate, you use heat. And we all know heat rises up. We know this because we use heat to fly in hot air balloons, or in a two-story house in the wintertime, it's always hotter upstairs than it is downstairs. So once I'm warming up my pipe, as long as the pipe is vertical, the hot air rises up through it, bounces off the side, and causes vibration in the air to make sound. And then when I attempt to pour it in my beaker, the air is not allowed to rise up anymore. When I tip it back up, the air is rising up. Sideways, no vibration. And then the heat starts rising up the air. So when I tip it into my beaker, this is really an illusion to make it look like I'm pouring sound out. Sound really doesn't have mass. And numerous ways to prove that is you can't pour sound on a triple beam balance and allow the weights to move. See, sound is a form of energy. It doesn't have mass. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or requests for other science lessons, you can leave them below. For more information and lesson plans, visit our website at www.extremesciencelabs.com.